आज हम मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में ही बात करेंगे। सो बेसिकली इश्यूज़ लाइफ में किसको नहीं होते हैं, बच्चों को, बड़ों को, मतलब देयर इज़ नो सच एज। सो आज मैं कुछ ऐसी टेक्निक्स के बारे में बात करूँगी विच विल हेल्प यू टू डील विथ योर मेंटल स्ट्रेस और एनी काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन. So basically the technique is to act upon it, and it is literally to act upon it. So I will say A is to acknowledge it first. So basically what I acknowledge means is accept your situation, whichever you are in right now. So you have to accept the situation, and you have to into that mindset that yes, that I am into that situation. So first accept that situation, and then C is for chat about it, means you have to talk through about it to someone who you can trust actually. And then you don't have to talk to everyone like about your situation. So basically people are not there to every time to enjoy. So basically आप अपने you don't have to brag about your sorrows as well as brag about your happiness. It's your own life. You have to decide what you wanted to do with your own life, right? So just talk through whom you can actually trust, your family member, or you can have your own friend. So that's about the C part. And then T is basically you need to have some kind of, and T is you need to give some time to yourself. So time is key. So if you give some time, it will heal by itself. So you have to give time to yourself, time to the situation. So the time, when right time will come, it will heal automatically. So it's all about a matter of a right time in the particular right situation. So give some time. So yoga, pranayam, go for someone you can trust, or a guided meditation tour are easily available. So you can go and practice those things, so which will help you to go away. Not I am saying shining away from that situation, but at least you can able to give some time to yourself and rethink about it. So that's all about it today. Okay guys, if you like it, please share and like it.